So in this class, we are going to discuss about accounting treatment of existing goodwill. So here you can see the introduction part. Existing goodwill, here we mean the purchase goodwill. As you know, there are two types of goodwill, purchase goodwill and self-generated goodwill. The goodwill which we record in the books of account is the purchase goodwill. And as per section accounting standard 26, the existing goodwill which appears in the balance sheet has to be written off. So there are two cases under this. The first case is when existing goodwill is written off. So what is the meaning of this case? When existing goodwill is written off means there is a goodwill amount which appears in the balance sheet asset side. Okay, so when it is written, it has to be written off. The entry would be all partners capital or current account debit to goodwill account. That means we are eliminating the amount of goodwill from the balance sheet by writing it off. So in that condition, partners capital account will be debited, either capital or current. When we use current account, when capitals are fixed, okay, when capitals are fixed, that time we will write current account, or otherwise it is capital account. In what ratio we will distribute the amount? In old profit sharing ratio, the existing book value of goodwill, we distribute the amount. So entry would be all partners capital account debit to goodwill account in old profit sharing ratio. Here we have second case. When existing goodwill is carried in the books of account. Now what is the meaning of this line? Now company wants to carry forward the goodwill which appears in the balance sheet. मतलब वो eliminate नहीं करेंगे, वो आगे जो book value है goodwill की उसे continue करेंगे, carry forward करेंगे. So in this condition, the entry will be gaining partners capital or current account debit to sacrificing partners capital or current account. Okay, so this is the adjustment entry which we need to pass over here when existing goodwill is carried forward. Okay, so there are two conditions, understood? When goodwill is to be written off, entry will be all partners capital or current account debit to goodwill account. In old ratio we will distribute the amount, and when the company decided to carry forward the existing goodwill, that time entry will be gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital or current account. So here we have an important note. Here it is. When question does not prescribe the accounting treatment of existing goodwill, it is written off to partners capital or current account. Yes, अगर क्वेश्चन में मेंशन नहीं है व्हाट टू डू विद द एग्जिस्टिंग गुडविल, इट हैज टू बी रिटन ऑफ इन देयर ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो अमंग ऑल द पार्टनर्स.